It's not gonna go nowhere. It's not gonna move. I promise. I promise. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jameelat, and today I have a head wrap, turban, hijab tutorial for you guys. I get a lot of questions on how I do this on my Instagram, so I figured why not make a video so that I can help y'all, like, period. So if you guys love head wrap tutorials, you want to see how to tie your hijab for the first time, stay tuned. Okay, so right here I have a bunch of scarves that I love to wear, and a lot of them are from black owned businesses and black owned Muslimas. So yeah, I'm gonna share where I got each scarf from and also the type of scarf, because sometimes like you want to tie a turban and sis, you're just not using the right material. Okay, like sometimes the material is way too slippery. Like there's just certain scarves that you're not going to be able to do a turban with. So what I mean by that is that, you see this scarf right here? This is a silk scarf, and I got this from the Sumaya shop on Instagram, and I'll link everything below so that you guys can know where I got everything from. But this is a beautiful scarf, right? And it's square, but I'm not about to tie a turban with this, okay? You can tie a turban with it. It's just not my preferred choice when it comes to a silk scarf, but you can definitely tie a turban with this. I would just say if you're gonna use silk, definitely wear like a scarf underneath or a head cap so that it doesn't slip off. I'm gonna use this scarf for the first tutorial. What I'm gonna do is just fold it in half, kind of like a triangle, and I'm just gonna place it over my head. And for the sake of this video, of course, I wear hijab, so I can't show y'all my hair. But yeah, then I'm gonna take these two I'm gonna take these two parts and just bring it under. So under this flap, I'm gonna bring it under and just tie it into one knot. And I'm just gonna fix it in the front to make sure it's hiding my scarf underneath. If I didn't like have to show you guys, I probably wouldn't wear this scarf underneath. I would just wear it like with my hair, and that would be that, because it's just easier that way. And that's pretty much it. I just like to wear it like this with the two sides of the scarf hanging, or like I'll put one to the back and just have this part out. Of course, I know there's like a hump here. Just imagine it. Imagine it without the hump. Like usually it would just be flat if I didn't have the scarf underneath, but just to show you guys like what it looks like from the front, this is kind of what it would go for. So yeah, I love this scarf so much. Like the Sumaya shop has so many cute scarves, like so many cute prints. Like it's so unique. Like I've never seen any scarves that are so unique like that. And I have another one here that I'm going to do another tutorial with as well. But yeah, so this is the first scarf style that I like, and that is one of my favorites. I love silk scarves. I also like to wear them as well. Definitely as a hijab, it's so cute, or just as a headscarf, it's so cute. So yeah. So this next scarf is such a beautiful orange, like burnt orange color. Really into orange lately. Like orange is just like a beautiful color. I love orange so much. I got this scarf from Veiled Collection. I actually have a coupon code with them, so I'll leave that down below. Everyone loves this scarf. It's a cotton crinkly scarf. I feel like it's the most popular that a lot of girls like to wear, and also the best when it comes to turban wrapping. I wear them all the time, and I have them in like every different color. Like they're just the best. First, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a bun like this. I'm just gonna take this scarf and tie it over this just to show you how I got this. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I got the bun in the back here. Okay, so we're just gonna take the scarf and you're gonna kind of fold it, not all the way, just a little bit. Okay, that was definitely all the way. I'm gonna fold it like 3/4 of the way, like that. And you're gonna bring it over your head. Take two sides like this. Take the two sides and you're gonna make one knot towards the back. And you can wear the scarf style like with the under cap and stuff like that, but right now I'm just doing it with a scarf. Then you're gonna take this part right here and you're just gonna fold it the way that you like. So some people like for this little like frilly thing to show. I don't really like that, so I kind of just fold it in so that it doesn't show, and I'll just bring that right over my head. Make sure you get the folds the way that you would like them as much as I can, and tuck this space that I have here. I'm just gonna take it, that scarf, and just tuck it right where I have that space. And the same thing to this side. Either you can leave it out or you can put it in so that part shows or doesn't show. And then you're gonna take it and do the same thing you did for the other side. Again, I'm just going to tuck. I'm just gonna tuck it right in there. I think it looks cute. I'm gonna show you how I get some volume without an undercap, as well as without using like one of those bun thingies that they be trying to sell on these hijab sites. So I went ahead and took this scarf out just so that I can show you how I do this bun part right here. This is a bun that is moving. These are braids, obviously, that I have in my hair, right? I don't have no undercap, nothing. I just take a scarf, beautiful one from Sienna shop again. I just take a scarf and I ball it up, literally, just ball it up, and I place it in the back of my head and I tie it so that it looks like this. I'm gonna show you what I mean. Okay guys, so right now I just took the bun out. There's no bun, I just have braids under here, no undercap. We're gonna take the scarf that I just balled up and you're just gonna ball it up. I don't use anything to like put it together, none of that. And I just place it in the back and I hold it with my hand, as you can see. I grab one side, I grab the other side, and I tie it into one knot, just like how I showed you guys. But you want to kind of make sure you secure it so that the scarf stays in the way that you want it to stay on your head. It's tightened, guys. See this bun? It looks crazy right now, right? But it's not gonna look like that for long. And there's no particular way to start. Like, you can start from this way, you can start from this way. It just depends on what you like. So again, I'm gonna put that crinkly part inside and I'm just gonna bring that over my head like this. And of course, make the front how you would like the front. Make the folds and all of that how you would like it. I just wrap this piece, take this piece, take this piece, wrap it around the bun that you just created with that scarf. The bun that you just created with that scarf, you see me create it. Just wrap this part around that bun. Just wrap it. And you're gonna tuck. So you're gonna tuck right in there, just like you do with the other scarf. See? So we got one part secure. Bring this over. Sometimes I like to bring the other part a little bit back. You're gonna pull it to make sure that it's secure the way that you like it. And then again, you're just gonna take this piece and you're gonna tuck it. Just tuck, tuck, tuck. Everything is tucked. So you guys see how my bun like stayed secure? Like, I'm not wearing no undercap. Like, there's no undercap under this. There's just braids and the scarf bun that I put there. Like, yo, I'm telling you, I've been doing my scarf like this for a long time, so I know it works. And it'll stay secure and not come out and will not, it's not gonna go nowhere. It's not gonna move. I promise. I promise. Another style I like to do when it comes to my hijab is I'll do a wrap like this underneath. Grab a scarf. So this is a jersey hijab or jersey material scarf. I'm not sure where I got this one, but it is black, it is stretchy. These are also good for doing this same type of style with this same type of bun that I just showed you guys. But for hijab, I like to just take it like this, put it over my head. Okay, it's stuck. It's stuck. Okay. So I like to just put it over my head like this. It's like two thingies. And guess what I do, guys? Guess what I do? You're not gonna believe it. It's the coolest trick ever. I just fold it in like this and I just go like this. Period. What you was saying? No, but yeah, like, guys, I like a loose hijab. I do not use pins when I'm doing my hijab. Like, it don't matter what the material is. I'm just gonna throw it over my shoulder. It's easy. I can move my neck. This is what works for me. Period. I want to show you guys. It's the bun to the front. I know I look crazy right now. Bear with me. But that same bun, tie it to the front. When you tie it, it's gonna become secure. I promise. I'm gonna tie it like that. And of course, right now it's moving. Y'all see that? How it's moving? It's gonna eventually stop moving once we secure it. So now that we tied it once to the front like this, I like to take both of them and tie it around the bun we just placed there. And you're gonna tie it one time in the back. You're gonna take these two or these pieces that you have, you're just gonna wrap it and tuck wherever you want to tuck. Wherever you would like to tuck. Then you're gonna take this side again, try to hide the frilly thingies unless you want them to show, and then tie again and tuck. And sometimes I like to tuck underneath because it's just easier that way. And tuck like that. I have to pull it back so my forehead is out. Cause I got a 5 head, guys, but I love my 5 head. Okay, period. God made me with a big head and I love my big head. So yeah. So then this is what this style looks like. And it's gonna be different every time, guys. Like, it's never gonna look the same. And I think that's so cute. Another one of my favorite styles where it's just like to the side. I'm gonna use this beautiful scarf from the Black Allure shop. Love these scarves. Why? Because they are so long. Like, come on. And black owned Muslimah. So that's always a plus, period. So I just go ahead and fold this in half. It has these beautiful ends at the bottom. I also have a code for this scarf as well, so I will put that in the description box. And I just place it over my head like this, like how I've placed all the other ones. And for the sake of just not showing my hair, I've added something to the, I have a scarf on already. So I just go ahead and tie that into the knot that I've been doing for the other ones. Take this part and just wrap it around the bun like so. And because the scarf is kind of like pretty at the bottom, you're just gonna have to tuck it, right? So this frilly part, you're just gonna tuck the same way that we've been tucking the other ones. You're gonna tuck this one as well. Tuck it the best way that you can. And you're just gonna pull this part apart and like stretch it out and like fold it over so that this part, I'm just gonna show y'all. So that part is kind of like that. Period. Okay, guys, so those are all the scarf styles that I have for you. This is how I tie my scarf. Everyone has a different way of tying their scarf, and these are just some of the ones that I love. Be sure to check out some of the businesses that I mentioned throughout this video. They have such good quality scarves. I would never steer you guys wrong. Y'all already know that. But But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and tell me which scarf style was your favorite. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.